owners wanted the spirit of the project to tinge every corner with a feeling of summer and enjoyment. The main premise of the project was to break the exterior-interior threshold, challenging the classic organization of the house. We decided to generate a blind facade to give it intimacy and mystery from the street. The moment the wind gates open and the user enters, his first contact is with the exterior. The materials chosen were stone for the first floor facade, graphite-colored plaster for the upper floor, black DVH windows, wood for exterior floors and semi-covered walls, exposed concrete for ceilings, and semi-covered walls, exposed concrete for ceilings and smooth concrete for interior floors and bathroom walls. All bathrooms are illuminated by skylights. The interior design of the house was designed by the owner herself, Mayra Garabinto, owner of the exclusive furniture brand Casa Estena, name that took the house in its entirety. Casa Estena is one of those forever homes, a fortress among green pastures to enjoy the environment and the spirit of the beach.